Welcome to another Bondee tutorial. In this video we will talk about everything regarding group chat in Bondee. First let's start with how to create a group chat on Bondee. Go to Chats, then tap on this plus button. Click Create a Group. Look at this cool drop effect. Every time you add a person to a group, his avatar will drop and roll when you bend to the left and right. Then click Next. Now you successfully created your group chat. To change the name of the group chat, click this three dots button. Then tap on Group Name. Type the new group name. Then confirm. Each member's avatar will be shown at the bottom of the group conversation. You use this smiley button in here, and it will send an action to your avatar. There's a chair icon also which make your avatar seat on it, making it appealing in the group chat. You can also clear the chat conversation by clicking this Clear Chat History button. Confirm Clear. For some reason you want to transfer the ownership of the group chat, you can go to Manage Group. Then click Transfer Ownership. Select the member that you want to transfer the ownership to. Then click Transfer. If you don't want to be disturbed with the notifications coming from the group, you can turn this Mute Notifications toggle on. If you don't want to be part of the group anymore, you can leave the group by clicking the Leave button. For more Bondee tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.